Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be talking about the best camera app for any mobile device. So if you're on your iPhone or your Android or on a Samsung, doesn't matter what device you're on, the best camera app is the camera app that comes built in on your phone. Because for the camera apps, they need to be optimized for your lenses. iPhone has a different type of lens. Samsung, they use different lenses for different devices. For example, on my Z Flip 3, this camera is way different than the one you get on your Note 20 or your S22. So the best application for your device is the camera app that comes built in. So that's about it. You want to know what the best camera app is? It's the one that comes built in with your phone. And if you don't like your camera app, then the second best option I can give you is the Google Camera app. You can download it via the Google Camera API. It's on the internet. I'll make a tutorial about it later on if you guys are interested on that. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.